I made my own keycaps. You see, on my keyboard, I have these 3 keys set as volume keys. And then I have an entire separate macro pad for stream keys and various emojis and macros. And I was getting tired of using these generic keycaps to label those, and they didn't really label them that well. So I went to the internet and found this simple keycap design. Then I started making my own modifications, and after a little while of working on these and making my designs, and a lot of failed prototypes, I was able to print all of these in a matter of hours. Some of them are blank, and some of them are designed to match the theme of my keyboard while also telling me what they are. And I think the light glowing through them looks really cool. And now I can remember what all of my keys do with the new labels. If you were to make these, what labels would you use?